Our topic is about center, radius, and of the circle. So our objectives, you are expected to illustrate center radius, form of the equation of the circle, determines the center radius, and graphs a circle and other geometric figures. So we have the standard equation of the circle. Meron tayong dalawa. So kapag ang ating center ay at 0, 0, nasa origin siya, our equation would be x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared. Kapag ang center naman niya ay nasa HK, meaning nasa quadrant 1, 2, 3, 4, kahit saan, the equation will be the quantity x minus h squared plus quantity y minus k squared is equal to r squared, where h and k is our center. Let's have an example. Write the equation of the circle whose radius is 5 and the center is the origin. So ito yung ating graph ng circle. Ang center daw ay nasa origin, which is 0, 0, and the radius is 5. So bilang lang tayo ng 5 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sa right side, left side, up, and down. So ito yung magiging itsura ng graph ng circle natin. So, write an equation of the circle. We have the equation x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared. Therefore, just substitute 5 for the radius kasi yung origin naman natin ay, yung center natin ay nasa origin. So, we have x squared plus y squared is equal to 5 squared, where 5 is our radius. 5 squared is 25. Therefore, the equation of the circle is x squared plus y squared is equal to 25. Let's have another one. Find the center, radius, and equation of the circle. So, given the graph, look at the graph. Ang center natin ay nasaan? Yes, nasa origin. So, therefore, the center is 0, 0. How about our radius? Okay, tignan natin kung saan siya nag-end. Okay, tignan natin sa taas, sa left, at sa baba. So, the radius is 12. So, what will be our equation if our center is at the origin and the radius is 12? So, we have x squared plus y squared is equal to 144 because 12 squared is 144. Let's have some practice. Find the center and radius if the equation is given. Let's have number 1. We have x squared plus y squared is equal to 25. What is your answer? The center is 0, 0, and the radius is 5. Because square root of 25 is equal to 5. Let's try another one. X squared plus y squared is equal to 1. What is your answer? The center is 0, 0, and the radius is 1. Because square root of 1 is 1. Next, how about this one? What will be the equation if our center is at 0, 0, and the radius is 11? So we have x squared plus y squared is equal to 121. Because the square root of 121 is 11. Next, find the equation if the center and radius. How about this one? What will be our equation? Yes, x squared plus y squared is equal to 81. Next, how about if our center is at HK? Wala siya sa origin. So, our equation will be the quantity x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared, where x coordinate, itong ating h, at itong ating k is our y coordinate. Example, write the standard form of the equation of the circle with center 3, negative 2 and a radius of 4. So, yung 3, negative 2, 3, partner niya negative 2. So, ito yung magiging center natin. Ang radius ay 4. Bilang lang tayo ng 4 units. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, lahat ay 4. Then, this will be the graph of the 3, negative 2 and radius of 4. So, using the equation, we have x minus h squared plus quantity y minus k squared is equal to r squared. Let us identify the given. What will be our h? And what will be our k? H is 3 and negative 2 is our k. And r is equal to 4. Okay, substitute lang natin. So we have, h natin ay 3. So we have x minus 3 squared plus, ang k natin ay negative 2, kaya y minus quantity negative 2 to the squared is equal to 4 squared. So we have the final answer, x minus 3 squared plus quantity y plus 2 squared. Basta pag negative lang yung given, negative times negative, magiging positive na siya. Okay? So tandaan, pag negative, magiging positive. Pag positive, magiging negative lang. 4 squared is equal to 16. So this will be our final equation. How about this one? Write the equation of a circle with center negative 4, 0, and a diameter of 10. Take note of the word diameter. Di ba ang kailangan natin is radius? So anong gagawin natin? Yes, ang h natin ay negative 4, ang k natin ay 0. So what will be our radius? So our radius is 5 kasi laging kalahati ng diameter yung radius natin. So therefore, our radius is 5. Using the formula, quantity x minus h squared plus quantity y minus k squared is equal to r squared. Substitute the given. So negative to, x minus negative 4 squared plus y minus 0 is equal to 5 squared. Again, ano mangyayari kapag ang ating ordered pair ay, ang isa doon ay negative? Ang final answer ay x plus 4 to the second power plus kapag ka 0, y squared, parang na-origin natin kanina. Y squared is equal to 25. Find the center and radius if the equation. So, hanapin daw natin yung center and radius dyan. Kapag negative, magiging positive. Pag positive, magiging negative. So, what is your center and radius? Yes, 9, 0. This is 9. Tapos ang y squared mo ay 0. Ang r mo ay 10. Square root of 108. How about this one? Yes, our center is negative 5. Our y is ordered pair is 0. And the radius is 12. Next, how about this one? What is your center and radius? Correct. Your center is 0, 3, and the radius is 11. Next, find the equation if the center and radius is equation naman daw. So we have the center 0, negative 1, and the radius is 5. So we have x squared plus y plus 1 squared is equal to 20. How about this one? What is your answer? We have x minus 9 squared plus y minus 4 squared is equal to 1. How about this one? The center is 0, negative 2, and the radius is 13. Our answer is x squared plus quantity y plus 2 squared is equal to 169 because 13 times 13 is 169. How about this one? What is your answer? Correct. We have x plus 7 quantity squared plus the quantity of y minus 6 squared is equal to 20. How about this one? Okay, all you have to do is to graph. If the given equation is x minus 1 squared plus quantity y plus 3 squared is equal to 49, identify the center, the radius, and graph. Okay, so what will be our center? The center is 1, negative 3. How about the radius? Yes, 7 because the square root of 49 is 7. Okay, so kung i-graph natin yan, ang una nating ka-graph is the center. So we have 1, negative 3, then bilang ng 7 sa lahat, then that will be our graph. Next, graph the circle, identify the center and radius. If we have the given the quantity x minus 3 squared plus quantity y minus 2 squared is equal to 9. Nakuha niyo na ba kung ano magiging center natin? Yes, our center is positive 3, positive 2. How about your radius? What is the square root of 9? The radius is 3.